Car steering wheel spinners enhance control, enable one-hand driving, reduce effort, and make parking, turning, and maneuvering smoother and faster. Today's video is about top 5 best car steering wheel spinners for easy handling that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Deluxe Steering Wheel Power Handle Spinner Knob. The smooth steering wheel spinner knob is a practical upgrade for drivers who value comfort and control. Designed to fit steering wheels between 0.5 inch and 1.75 in diameter, it offers wide compatibility across cars, forklifts, tractors, mowers, and even boats, making it a versatile solution for both daily driving and heavy-duty tasks. What stands out is its smooth, effortless spinning action, which significantly reduces hand fatigue and allows for quick, precise turns, especially useful during parking or tight maneuvers. The inclusion of 4 screw-length options, 30mm, 35mm, 40mm, 45mm, ensures a secure and customized fit for different wheel thicknesses. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary tools and hardware included. The clear step-by-step setup makes it beginner-friendly. Overall, this spinner knob delivers durability, ease of use, and enhanced steering control, making it a reliable addition for safer and more efficient driving. Now our second product is Zaishan Tool-Free Steering Wheel Knob. The tool-free steering wheel spinner knob stands out as a modern, user-friendly upgrade for effortless driving. Its biggest advantage is the 5-second installation, no tools, screws, or hassle. Just place and tighten, and it's ready to go. With silicone spacers and compatibility for 3.45-inch, 4.9 circumference wheels, it fits a wide range of vehicles, from cars and trucks to tractors and mowers. Performance-wise, the 360-degree smooth rotation powered by all-metal bearings delivers a noticeable difference. Unlike cheap plastic alternatives, it ensures consistent, frictionless movement, even under heavy use or in marine conditions. The ABS Plus alloy construction adds durability, resisting extreme temperatures without cracking or fading. Safety is also well addressed. The anti-slip, ergonomic grip keeps control secure even in sweaty or wet conditions, reducing strain on hands, shoulders, and neck. Certified for over 10,000 rotations, this spinner knob is a reliable, long-lasting solution for drivers seeking comfort, control, and durability. Our third product is HQRNTP 8-Ball Steering Wheel Knob Spinner. This 8-ball steering wheel spinner knob combines durability, style, and practicality in one compact accessory. Built from high-strength resin and iron, it offers excellent impact resistance and long-term reliability. The smooth, wear-resistant surface not only feels comfortable in hand but also resists scratches and deformation, ensuring it maintains its look over time. The standout feature is its unique 8-ball design, adding a cool, retro-inspired aesthetic to your car interior. Beyond looks, it delivers true functionality with 360-degree smooth rotation, allowing effortless one-handed steering. This significantly improves maneuverability, especially during parking or tight turns. Compatibility is another strong point, fitting most vehicles, from sedans and SUVs to trucks, tractors, and forklifts, supporting steering wheels 1.2 to 1.5 inches thick. Installation is simple with included hardware, and it can be adjusted easily for comfort. Overall, it's a stylish yet highly functional upgrade for smoother, more controlled driving. Now number 4, Foring BL Steering Wheel Knob Spinner. This steering wheel spinner knob delivers an excellent balance of durability, comfort, and performance. Built with a sturdy ABS core and a premium silicone grip, it feels solid in hand while resisting wear over time. The integrated metal ball bearing ensures ultra-smooth rotation, making steering effortless across various vehicles, from cars and SUVs to trucks, tractors, and even boats. Comfort is a standout feature. The textured hexagonal surface provides a secure, non-slip grip, while the ergonomic ball shape fits naturally in your palm. This design reduces hand fatigue during long drives and improves overall control, especially in stop-and-go traffic or tight parking situations. Its universal fit makes it highly versatile, accommodating most standard steering wheels. Installation is quick and straightforward thanks to the clamp-style design, no complicated tools or professional help needed. Overall, this spinner knob is a reliable, user-friendly upgrade that enhances steering precision, reduces effort, and adds comfort to both daily driving and heavy-duty use. And our last choice is Top Life Steering Wheel Knob. This steering wheel spinner knob is designed to make driving noticeably easier and more comfortable, especially for daily drivers. It excels in reducing arm and shoulder strain, making tight parking and sharp maneuvers feel smooth and effortless. The large, ergonomic ball combined with high-quality bearings ensures precise, fluid motion, giving you better control with minimal effort. A key highlight is its stealth black, logo-free design. It blends seamlessly into any car interior, offering a clean, premium look without unnecessary distractions. The universal fit, 1.1-inch, 1.5, works well with most standard steering wheels, and the secure clamp system with protective rubber ensures a tight hold without causing damage. Installation is quick and straightforward, making it accessible for anyone. It's particularly beneficial for seniors or drivers with joint discomfort, as it minimizes physical strain. Overall, this spinner knob delivers a perfect mix of comfort, control, and minimalist style for a refined driving experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.